Welcome to my urban sanctuary. Have you ever found a place that makes the rest of the world disappear? This is my garden, and it has become my favorite place in the city. Even though the streets outside are incredibly busy, this space remains a peaceful haven. Look at the lawn. It is much greener than it was last month. Can you hear the constant hum of traffic beyond the walls? I can, but it feels so distant once I step inside. The atmosphere this morning is so refreshing. The sun is shining brightly and there is a gentle breeze blowing through the trees. Have you noticed the flowers recently? I have been growing red roses and magnificent tall sunflowers for several years. They look more vibrant today than ever before. Look, a small robin is sitting on that branch. Can you hear his melody? It is more complex than a simple bird song. It sounds like a special performance. Don't be frightened by that movement in the corner. Is it a dangerous animal hiding in the shadows? Not at all. It is just my cat, Sunny. She is an orange and white tabby, and she has spent most of her life napping. She is quite elderly now, so she prefers the warmth of the sun to chasing birds these days. Modern life can be exhausting and overwhelming, don't you think? Finding a balance is important for our mental health. This garden isn't just a hobby, it is a sanctuary where I can relax and recharge my energy. What about you? How do you escape the pressure of daily life? Is there a specific place that helps you feel at peace? I would love to hear your story.